Hi, this is Rod. I'm with Sims Lohman. I'm one of the sales managers, and just got done listening to Karim Ellis with his presentation. And what I found fascinating about it was this: all of us have highs and lows, and we'll sometimes need to be re-energized. And what I found out of this was I always need to set my goals daily and weekly and monthly so that I have a clear roadmap as to where that I want to go. Because my tendency is to lose some of that energy, and Kareem helped to reinstall that back into my brain, help shift it just a little bit so that now I am more focused on what I want to do next day, next week. And it was just such a great time having him here, and I just appreciated all of that presentation. Thanks, Kareem.